In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review, edit, and share Genspark AI meeting notes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find past meetings, understand their key takeaways, make quick refinements, and share or export information with confidence. We'll move through each part in a clear, practical way so you can follow along and apply it right away. Start by opening Genspark AI meeting notes. Use the app or the web version, whichever you typically rely on. Give it a moment to load your workspace so everything you need is up to date and ready to go. Next, head to your saved meetings or notes history. This is where Genspark stores all your previous records. You'll usually find a history section in the sidebar or top navigation. If you have a lot of notes, consider sorting by date or by meeting title to quickly narrow down what you're looking for. Now browse or search for the past meeting you want. If you remember the meeting title, a keyword from the agenda, or the date range, use those in the search bar. Small refinements like filtering by date or by who attended can help you zero in on the right record faster, especially if your workspace has many entries. Open the meeting record to view the summary and discussion points. The summary highlights the main themes and decisions. So read that first to get the big picture. Then review the discussion points to understand the context behind each decision or takeaway. If timestamps or sections are available, use them to jump to parts that matter most to you. Take a moment to review the action items or key sections. Confirm owners, due dates, and any dependencies so nothing slips through the cracks. If you spot something unclear, look for the related discussion point to understand why the action was created and what outcome is expected. If you need to adjust the note, go ahead and edit or reuse it. Refine the summary for clarity, correct typos, or add missing details to make the record more accurate. You can also copy sections to reuse in follow-up agendas or status updates. Keep your edits concise and consistent so future readers can scan the note quickly. When you're ready, share or export the meeting details. Use the share option to grant access to teammates and set the right permissions. If you need a file, export to your preferred format for archiving or distribution. Before sending, skim once more to ensure sensitive information is removed and the final note is clear and complete.